Learn how to configure alerts in SureCam view. This demo will cover how to set up AI alerts, custom alerts, and standard alerts in configuration, as well as how alerts are scored and weighted. Let's first look at how to configure AI alerts. Go to the Alerts section of configuration and click AI Alerts. Click the three dots on the right side of the page to edit an alert. ADAS alerts include lane departure and forward collision warnings, and they are meant to prevent accidents before they happen. Monitor DMS alerts detecting distraction, drowsiness, and phone usage to ensure driver attentiveness. Individual customers may create custom alerts tailored to their fleet's unique safety priorities and operational requirements. Standard alerts include severe driving, harsh acceleration, and harsh braking. These alerts are not triggered using AI. Use the Scoring and Weighting page to get a weighted safety score of your fleet, weighted against miles driven. Decrease weight to reduce impact on overall driver scores for less critical violations. You've learned how to configure alerts in SureCam view.